The coal, energy, and chemical industry will play an important role in the sustainable utilization of energy in China and will be an important development direction in the next 20 years, which is of great significance for China to reduce the environmental pollution caused by coal burning and reduce China's dependence on imported oil. Clean coal ball pressing equipment is widely used, such as activated carbon, charcoal, clean coal, dust, lime and other materials for compaction, granulation, or ball, reduce dust, control bulk density, return to use. Sport characteristics. The advantages of the ball press are reasonable structure, smooth operation, low energy consumption, the selection of high-quality high-alloy steel forgings with high strength and wear resistance, and easy to off the ball and groove specifications and shape according to user requirements. Processing custom, high-pressure molding, no need to add binder, only rely on their own strong pressure can be formed, pressed out of the spherical product. Density, strength, hardness are high, small power consumption, compact structure, to achieve a high rate of PEL.